What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Fly Wings 2016. I'm playing the online version, not the downloaded version this time. Last video I did a really cool landing with the F-117 Nighthawk. And now I'm gonna find out which plane I want to fly. And I think do you want to fly the F-14 or want to fly something that's a little bit more complicated? Right, I think I want to do something. I think I want to do a commercial plane. So we're going to be flying the Boeing 747-8I. And last time we did a plane this size, it was an Airbus A380, and we wheeled it into the Bermuda Triangle, and we gave it a little, and we had Marilyn Monroe singing a little goodbye to it as it goes down the river of no return. I'm sorry, that was funny because it's in a video game. It's not funny. It would be tragic in real life, but it's just a video game, so. And trying to fly the 747.
JTB1 ready, descent to flight level 330.
Queen of the skies here. That's what they call her, the Queen of the Skies. I knew there was something I liked about these airplanes. Just couldn't find out what it was until I started flying them in video games. Look how easy it handles. Like, handles probably better than any big plane in the game so far. Smooth. Wow, it's smooth either, or something I liked about the 747. Right. Corner. Just as smooth as a baby's bottom all flight. Spoke too soon. So it went off course. Turned that kind of sharp. Uh-oh, somebody said a dirty word in that movie my roommate's watching. Yeah, because it's a horror movie. Horror movie. Yeah. I'm not gonna say it. Horror movies rated R. Well, looks like my flight has went off course. flying around in a circle. Yeah, they're going in a circle. Oh, there's the airport.
3,000 feet, range 13 knots. 3,000 feet coming off this one.
Right. So where do we gotta land it at? Gotta land it, right.
At departure speedbird down 223, traffic 1300 feet, climbing 6,000, Copter 3 Foxtrot.
Give it some more gas. Some more gas.
Good afternoon, redirect to Biggest at Heathrow.
Right. Got my afterburner. I don't think these planes can even have afterburners. 747 with afterburners. They can be like an Imperial starship. Star Trek movie or Star Wars or something like that, whatever you want to call it. Not exactly the same thing. Star Trek's way different than Star Wars, but it's another story.
Iberia 4144, Star reducing speed to 220 knots with a 10 to 15 minute delay.
That person did really good lift gun.
Yeah. And looks.
So him up in the mean thing. Yeah. He walking on
Swoop up. Boom. Right. Crashed.
Good afternoon, reach Scuba and then Mayfield to the lower super deck.
Tried to do another awkward landing like I did that F-117 Nighthawk. It's a little bit harder in this big old joker we're flying. 747, baby. The soul plane, the queen of the skies.
Redirect to Biggest at Heathrow.
Alright, I'm gonna put my sport. Oh, crap. Flat.
Speedbird 732, 135, 32 back.
Right.
Good, got to it.
The only thing that's gonna stop it from crashing now.
1 Lima Juliet, descend to 3,000 feet, range 13 knots. Descend 3,000 feet.
Right. There's the landing. Gas up these engines, gotta get there. Get to where I need to go quicker. Pedal it.
Levity 3144, flight level 270. That's 270.
Ah, it's bloodshot. It's work. It's working in the church parking lot today. Scraping crabgrass out of the crack in the road. We got dirt and doing gardening. Got that soap not soap, dirt in my eye, literally.
Future 833 regional level 270.
Fire up. Fire up, fire up, fire up, fire up, fire up, fire up. Crashed again. Dang. The queen of the skies is a demanding mistress. With 4 jet engines. I'm not going to touch anything. Just gonna let it glide. Right. Spool down, flat down.
Speedbird 730, climb there, down level 270. Speedbird 730, climb to level 270.
Spool her back up when just let it glide. Just gonna let her glide.
34144, you're on navigation now, direct.
Smoother, a little bit smoother.
Costa 825, climb to flight level 2990.
Pilots in real life have a big responsibility when they're in that plane. Passengers.
Liberty 3144, climb to flight level 270.
So how much longer before we slow down the engines? I think we should do about now. Alright. Crap, it's gonna be a crosswind.
4144, descend level 90. Down 9
No, I'm not gonna make it. Boom. This is hard. Well, I tried landing this one. I couldn't land this one. That's about all the time I got for this video.
Okay, we take hitting now.
Feel free to post a comment, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.